Hello, welcome back to Ben Sushi LiveENODING. So this is another take at this tower thing. I think the last setup was kind of interesting, but I haven't explained how I did the noise thing. So here I make a slight modifications, and this example will actually display the noise. This noise is kind of circular, and this was actually based on the vector turbulence. You could actually modify it to many different noise pattern, and let's keep it simple and just use a standard Perlin. And here you can play around with the frequency to get all kind of different noise. um, let's actually increase the octave, kind of looking nice if I do that. Yeah, so this is actually getting kind of more interesting. So the noise, so basically I started with a plane, and this plane can be of any number of grid of pixel or number of grid of vector points, and I can control all kind of attributes here, including the stepping, and whenever I make changes, it's gonna generate this kind of a noise pattern. And the noise pattern is something that I can use to create the tower. So for each array of the tower, it's gonna be slightly different. So yeah, that's the idea. Basically, I'm using a circle here just to give the look, just to visualize the noise. And what's gonna happen next is simply the tower itself. And this tower is really just an extruded circle. If I increase the number, and the circle itself, for each scaling is based on this noise pattern. So I'm using Monad to do it, and this one slightly heavier for Blender for Spreadshock, but also this is, I think, the most sophisticated setup to build this alien tower. So I really quite like this one because of the noise itself. We can always go back and then kind of maybe increase the octave, and we're gonna get a more interesting pattern this way. So yeah, probably I don't need to go this far, but I think this is interesting anyhow. And I'll put it right here, 908. It's gonna be 909 version, and I'm gonna save this for you to have a look. So yeah, so that's a couple of attempts to recreate this Sizip tower. This one kind of, I still find this kind of interesting, but I'll try to recreate exactly like this. But I think I go a little bit far with this. Still, it's interesting and I learn a lot. So thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.